Hello students, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So what are we going to learn today? Today, we are going to learn how to set the perfect view in Lumion. And for that, we will take the help of our reference image. So this is our reference image, and you can see that we have to look over here in the center of the model. So I will just move my model a little bit and then I will bend it upwards. And after that, I can find the perfect view. So I need to do a little bit of the movement and checking that whether I am getting all the elements in a visual form or not, because if your view will not be set properly, then you can't get the elements which will be visible to you. So we need to take care of one thing, that all the elements that you are using in your model is completely visible. Even the grooves, the claddings and everything should be in the proper position, and for that we need to set this view. So let's see what am I doing over here. So I am trying to take a view so that I can use half of the ground and half of the sky in my model. Okay, so that will give a decent image. Okay, now I need to zoom out a little bit in order to make it visible. So I will take the help of the reference image and then I will just zoom it out, and now you can see everything is visible, but I need to set the size of the model. So I am setting the size over here, but still you can see I can't see the design on the top floor. So I need to set it a little bit, and for that I can move to the left and the right and see where I can make it visible. So I want the right portion of the building to be visible more in the image. So I will just rotate it a little bit. Now, how you can do that? You have to use the right button of your mouse and four keys on your keyboard to use the movement. And those keys are A, W, S, and G. So using this, you can easily move anywhere in the Lumion software. You can also use the arrow keys to move in the software. So I need this view. So I will just tilt it a little bit, and after that I can get the view. Now the second thing that I need to notice over here is the weather. So I will change the height of the sun and also the direction of the sun in order to find out the best lighting for my model. So you will see the difference right now if I am changing the direction of the sun. So if you are setting the direction of the sun, height of the sun and the intensity of the sunlight, then you can get a better image. So over here you can see that the difference is clearly visible, but I still need to change it a little bit. So at first I will set this view, and then I will try to make it perfect, and I will also use the 2-point perspective in order to straighten my image. Then I will just save it and take a render of it so that I can see how does my final image looks like. So this was my final image in desktop view, and I will compare it with the reference image. So I am still getting a little difference over here, but my model is clearly visible in this one. So I will take out the final render in the poster format. So if you are taking out the render in the poster format, you will get the high quality image, and you can give that to your client. But it's not like you will directly give it to your client in just this size. So what you need to do, you need to crop it. Now, once this render will be completed, I will show you what should be the aspect ratio for the cropping of this rendered image. So this rendering may take a little bit of time, and once it is completed, we will see how to crop it. But let's sum up the things that we have kept in mind while rendering it. So you can see my model is divided equally in two parts, and half of the part is on the ground, that is visible, and half of that is visible in the sky. Okay, so the next thing is I have tried to make all the elements in my model visible over here. So my render is completed now, and now I will just open up the image and crop it. So there are so many aspect ratios, but I will use the 7:5 because that is the decent one. So I will just open up my image, go to the aspect ratio, choose 7:5, and then I will zoom it a little bit so that most of the area is covered by the model. Okay, and now I can save it in the desired folder. So today we have learned how to set the view in the Lumion software to get the best image out of it. And if you want to join our live online classes, then you will find a link in the description. All you have to do is to click on that link and fill the details in this Google form. So you can choose whatever courses you want to join, and I will personally give you a call. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and stay tuned to our channel. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.